Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Oh.
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Smoothie, what's in there? Oh,
Sweetie.
look at his little head. He's oh.
You did not expect that.
Meat.
Look at him.
Look at his tail.
Smoothie's so scared, yeah.
What I come home to every day.
Hi, Thor. Hi, Thor. How you doing?
Where are you? Hey. Hi. Were you sleeping? Were you sleeping? Yeah. What? Did you have a good nap? Yeah. Is that your toy? Is that your toy? Is that your toy? Can I see it? Can I see it?
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Hey yo, Pudgy, my boy Junior here challenges you to an hour off. Yo, show him how it's done.
Let me get an hour.
No.
Part 2.
Cooter, my intuition is telling me that you have asthma. Because your purring sounds like this. I'm just telling it like it is.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Dexter, do you want to say something to all of your fans?
Okay, so take a hoodie and put on backwards, and then put your cat in it.
Okay, so this is perfect. I work from home, and she always wants to be by me, so let's do this. I'm acquiring the kitten, figuring out how to put her, she's not biting me. Are you biting me? Ah, she's so cute. Yeah, this was the move. She's going to sleep. 10 out of 10. Do this with your cat. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, sorry. Nothing much.
They said you look like Paw Patrol. How you feel?
I still really like Paw Patrol.
You don't look bad. You look cute. Don't let them fool you. You don't get mad at me. You look cute.
Oh no!
You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly. Come on, little mama, let me rub up on the belly.
Oh, thank you. Okay, wait.
Bear.
Norma! Time to eat. Go tell Charlie. Go on, go tell him. Good girl, Norma.
Rest in peace. Bye, get a box. Wake up. Oh.
So I heard if you give your animal an egg, it knows to take care of it because it's super fragile. Oh.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
This is how I taught Oakley to get me a beer. Step 1 is to get them comfortable holding the beer. Oaks, hold. Fetch. Yes, good girl. Repeat this until your dog is reliably grabbing and holding the beer. Oak, hold. Yes. Next, you want to ask them to fetch it off the ground. Oakley, fetch. Good girl, hold. Yes. Next, you want them to start getting the beer out of the fridge. Oakley, give me the beer. Yes. Practice this at different distances until they get really good at it. Oakley, go get me a beer. Yes. Next, you want to start working on opening the door. Just encourage them to grab it and pull. Yes! Once they understand the pulling motion, have them practice opening the door. Once they get the fridge open, just wait them out and they should click and realize to get the beer. Once they're good at that, then you teach them to shut the door. And I just use treats and lure her until she pushes the door.
Do you like a banana?
Can you say hello? Hello. Oh, thank you very much. Now, Corbell does a pretty cool sound. She can make the sound of a car alarm. Can you do that?
Oh, I love
Good girl, Corbell. All right, you. Are we having fun? Can you say your name? Corbell. Thank you. And let's do a rooster. Say cock-a-doodle-doo. How about a cat? How about a dog? Can you howl?
Oh,
Good
my
girl. Wow. Well, you're really showing off.
Boy.
Corbell. Wow, Corbell. All right, Corbell, can you do some coughing? And it's supposed to be a sore throat.
Oh.
Elmo, come here. Come here, Elmo. Elmo. Hi. Hi, Elmo.
Stop biting my ankle! Leave Jerry alone! Get out! Where's the plunger? Stop taking the plunger, come on! Jerry, get out of the toilet! You literally have a shower! Bad duck!
Hey yo, rich cat check. Meow 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 meow. I am spoiled kitty. I'm a kitty who takes everything for granted. I love you, dog. I'm sorry. Come here.
If you think that's hot, then drop a like. But if you think that's hot, drop a follow, cause I'm right here, baby.
There you go.
Uno is ready to go. I think Uno is all done with his walk. Uno, you all done walking? You pooped out? So tired. Goodbye, sweet prince. I'll miss you. Bye, baby.
あいうえおはようございますか聞くけこっち来てさしするゴルゴンゾーラと茶色
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Hello.
Alright, there is your cards. What is there a ton of in heaven? That one? No.